Have you ever had a moment so quiet, so still, that the world around you just seems to hold its breath? Here's one of those beautiful instances. Look at this little guy, a burst of color and life, cautiously landing near a boy. The bird watches him, tilting its head, curious, and the boy, he does the most wonderful thing, nothing. He simply offers a quiet, gentle presence. And then the magic happens. The bird, feeling completely safe, hops right onto his shoulder. It's like a tiny declaration of friendship. It's moments like these that truly remind us how animals can sense a kind and safe heart. They know who to trust. It's a connection that goes beyond words, a pure and simple bond. If this warmed your heart, like and subscribe for more heartwarming frames. See you in the next one.